Okay, so on Facebook earlier tonight a post came up saying that you can use this Windows 98 product key to get fast product activation on Windows 98, and the product key is FARTS-BALLS, farts with a Z, boobs and lulls in the as set up as a product key. Now first farts is with an S, you got balls, and you got farts with a Z, and then boobs. Looks like zeros to me, but it might be O's. I guess we'll give it a try and see. So I'm going to build a quick Windows 98 virtual machine in VMware, and let's see if this works. Let me just change my screen capture over to one of my VMware servers and create a new virtual machine. So I'm going to make it a typical virtual machine. I'm going to use my MS-DOS starter disk, ISO actually. Yeah, it's not Linux. Probably best set this to other, and then leave it as MS-DOS for now. Going to call it 98. Yeah, I think 2 gig of disk space will do it. 16 meg of RAM. Yeah, I remember that back in the day. Let's give it a second to create and power on the virtual machine. This isn't a particularly brilliant ISO for DOS, so it's actually better just to Control and C out of it and just see if it's given me the, yeah, it's given me the CD drive's already been detected. So F disk, and let's just display the partition information, see what it says. There's no partitions at the moment on the C drive or on the virtual hard drive, so we'll create a DOS partition, create a primary DOS partition, use all the available disk space, yep, and then here, Control or Insert to reboot it. Of course, it's going to come up with missing operating system, so boot back off of the CD again. Yeah, that's the virtual CD drive loading again. It's not a great ISO, so terminate out of the batch job. The CD drive is loaded as drive E, so then I'll just do a format C:/S to put system files on it. Don't need to do a stroke Q on this. Well, one, because it's freshly for F disk, you can't do a quick format anyway, and you don't with a virtual hard disk you don't need to do a quick format because it's done instantly anyway on the NVMe's. So now we've got a MS-DOS system on the C drive. I can switch my virtual CD drive to the Windows 98 installation files. Just do it there. Gets me every time. Do it there. CD. Now, on a Windows 98 box back in the day, you'd always copy the cabs over from the CD drive onto the hard disk, but I'm not going to bother for now. Just literally run setup. Yeah, we'll do disk check. Why not? Continue. Yeah, install it to see Windows. Typical installation. Install the most common components. Yes. Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's not have United States. Not particularly bothered about making a startup disk, so forget that. Start copying files. This should go pretty quick. I remember doing this off floppy disks onto my Libretto laptop. No CD drive with it, no possibility of plugging an external one in. You just came with a stack of floppy disks. It was like that. Reinstalling Windows only been for the whole afternoon, you know. It's done in under a minute. Look. Yeah, reboot. Yay. Let's do testing. Should we read and accept license agreement? Yeah, just fall through that, yeah. Right, so let's try the code. FARTS-BALLS FARTZ. Let's try O's. Yeah, they're elongated, so it is the letter O. BBZ LULLZ. Is it going to take it? Product key is invalid. Well, let's just try and replace the O's with zeros just to see. No, it won't take it. So, no, that product key does not work. FARTS BALLS FARTZ BOOBZ LULLZ. No, debunked. That's not working. Oh, interesting experiment, though. Catch you later.